Hi everyone, this is Bill. One of the things that I really like about using Google Drive is that I can really add functionality outside of the regular spreadsheets, docs, forms, and presentations that I do. And so I want to show you today how to go about adding different types of apps that are available. And so on my screen here you see my Drive, and in the upper left hand corner under the Create menu, if I click on that, most of the time the default is just this first column. So we have folder, document, presentation, spreadsheet, form, and drawing, right? Well, then I have over here a number of other different apps or different options that are available to me. And each one of these are tools that live outside. They're online tools, but they live outside of Google Drive. And because of the partnership that these particular tools have with Google Drive, I can add them to my Drive list. And then they will store the data directly inside that Drive list. So I'm going to go ahead and I want to show you how to connect some apps. So you're going to see I have a number of different ones here: GeoGebra, Lucidchart, MoveNote, Pixlr, Powtoon. All of these are ones that I've added in the past. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and add some more. So when you click on this Create button, right down at the bottom where it says Connect More Apps, if you click on that, that's going to open up a new window inside. And you're going to see, if you just kind of walk through these, you're going to see that there's a lot of different things that you can connect to Google Drive. And additionally, you have this category drop down right here that is going to show you different tools that are available. And so one of those categories is education. So if we go in and look under education, there's a lot of things that are available here. So what I want to show you right now is I'm just going to do a search. I'm going to go back to all under my drop down. I'm going to do a search for a tool called Lucidpress. And if you're unfamiliar with Lucidpress, what Lucidpress is, it is a tool that's very much like Microsoft Publisher. That's kind of what I equate it to, where you can do layout and you can make newsletters and presentations and things like that all online. And what's really cool about it is that it stores everything in your Drive. Here's the thing: if you are a Chromebook classroom and you have Chromebooks available for you, this is a great tool for those kind of print projects that you, and maybe you don't want them to be print anymore, but you want kind of that print look and feel, or maybe you want them to make a web brochure. This is a great way to do that. So now that I found Lucidpress, I'm going to go ahead and hit connect. It's going to go ahead and say, basically make that connection and say, I want to use this as my default app for files it can open. Most of the time you can say yes to this because they're going to already be in your Google Drive. So I'm going to click OK. It's going to tell me Lucidpress was connected to my Drive. And now when I click on Create, I'm going to see Lucidpress right in my menu here. And when I click on Lucidpress document, it's going to open up the Lucidpress window. It's going to ask me to accept, so I connect those two accounts, my regular Google account and my Lucidpress account. And then here I am. I can start creating right now. So let's suppose that I want to create a brochure. I'm going to click on brochure right here, click Create New. It's going to go ahead and create that blank digital document. It's going to ask me for a title here. So I'm just going to leave it as blank digital document. Click OK. And I can then start designing this by adding pictures if I want to. Using the Google Pictures, I can add video, I can add text to this, and then just start laying it out. And it's really nice because it allows me to lay it out very much like I used to inside of Microsoft Publisher. One of the things that they do have is, a little tour on Lucidpress. So I'm going to go back to my Drive now, and one of the things I want to show you is right here I have my little Lucidpress icon. It says blank digital document. So this is stored directly into my Google Drive. So this is a really powerful tool, but not just with Lucidpress. There's an amazing amount of tools out there that you can connect directly to Google Drive and really kind of enhance what you're doing in the classroom with Google Drive. So I guess what I'm saying is I don't want you to think that Google Drive is only for more of those office type tools. There's a lot of stuff that you can do here, and there are tools that are readily available completely online and ready for you now. I hope that helps. Have a great day.